I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a contact with another person on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one is to open your phone app and select a contact that you want to share. Once you've found this particular contact, you can scroll down and click Share Contact. Now this page will show you exactly what information that you're going to share. You can turn off the picture, you can turn off the last name. If you have other fields like email, address, and birthday, you can unselect those. Now when you're ready, click Done. It will then pull up a share page that will show you all the different options you have to share this particular contact. Now most oftentimes I'm going to either share with text or AirDrop. So I will select whichever one of those options I want to share with. So let's say AirDrop, and then you will select the device that you want to share with. In this case, I'll share it with my iPad. Now once it's done sharing, it'll open it up on the other person's device and they'll be free to contact that person.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.